Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining another episode at Investing with All I See is W. Today, I wanted to make this video to share with you my thoughts on Inovio Pharmaceuticals' position and why I feel this company ticker is poised to break out very soon. What we know is this company has gone through phase 1 clinical trials with very solid data where its pre-approved vaccine, the INO 4800, has demonstrated safety, efficacy, and tolerability with the trial run that had occurred with about 40 healthy patients. Now that should be very good information to all of us. Now we expect the peer review data to be released within the next 2 weeks or so. And once that information releases, that will be another success contributor for raising up Inovio's current share price. And the fact that Inovio Pharmaceuticals has partnership with Uology, the news release was back in March. Uology is a contract manufacturer that is based in Florida where it can ramp up the scalability for the INO 4800 vaccine. So that is why Inovio partnered up with Uology. And what I know is Uology does get grants from DARPA as well as Department of Defense. And today we heard big news where Department of Defense had provided a big award for Uology. And I'll get into the details further once we look at the slides. All right. Now here I'm sharing with you Uology's Bioservices website here. So they are again a CDMO. They provide different services intended for different manufacturers that want different support service, okay? Now let's look at the company overview. So this was founded, in early 2000, and they're working with agencies like NIH, Department of Defense, NCI, and BARDA, right? And they have core capabilities such as scaling up manufacturing for highest quality biopharmaceutical products. And they are considered an advanced development and manufacturing facility with a square foot size of 183,000. Now, in terms of partnering up and licensings, they have the proprietary viral cell vaccine manufacturing cell line. So that's what's unique about them. And in terms of process development, they can develop an entire process or optimize individual steps. So it's interesting to see how the INO 4800 will align with the current existing process developments in place at this company. Now I wanted to go through the source data and connect the dots with the partnership between Uology and Inovio Pharmaceuticals. Back in March of 2020, this is when there was news release where the Department of Defense had provided $11.9 million in partnership between Inovio Pharmaceuticals to transfer its DNA technology to a rapid manufacturer, which is going to be supported by Uology Bioservice. So this was great news right here that came out about like half a year ago. And let's just read one of the CEO's note here. We are excited to be working with the Department of Defense and Inovio to rapidly respond to this crisis. The advanced development and manufacturing facility operated by Uology Bioservices was designed to respond to just such emergencies as we are now experiencing, and we are proud to be part of this effort to protect the U.S. warfighter and the nation. All right, I'm going to go over to the next source now. So here is just saying that DoD has provided an award between Inovio and Uology for the transfer of its design for INO 4800 to start the manufacturing process at Uology. Now this is the main news here that was released by the U.S. Department of Defense as of today. So I'm just going to go ahead and read this. Uology Bioservices, Florida was awarded a $106,302 million of firm fixed price contract. Now, what's unique about this is that ensures reserve production capacity, where Uology was provided $106 million and promised to produce about 186 100,000 doses of vaccine to satisfy US Americans. Now, what we know is Inovio Pharmaceuticals had promised by 2020 it would produce about 100,000 vaccines. So, from a safety stock standpoint, the Army is providing, additional 86,000 for that safety stock mechanism in case the infection rate goes up. But this is very good news here, just knowing that there's more support at a very high dollar amount right here, right? $106 million to reserve production capacity. So how I see is that the government understands how effective INO 4800 is, and for that reason, the government is now affiliated with Inovio Pharmaceuticals as well as Uology to bridge the gap between the design and the manufacturing process so that INO 4800 can be scaled up in a timely manner so that it can be ready for the upcoming winter time as well as headway into year 2021. But to me, this is very good news. I mean, from the Department of Defense relaying to us information as of today that the contract manufacturer for Inovio Pharmaceuticals was awarded $106 million for the sake of capacity production reservation of the vaccine. So that to me is there's a correlation of Inovio share price going up, because I feel like this was intended for Inovio Pharmaceuticals as well as other related companies out there. Okay, so I wanted to share this information with you because I feel like this is solid news and we are positioned to hear good information from Inovio. We've gone through a big tidal wave, but let's hold on tight because I feel like Inovio will grow in its share price. Thank you so much for watching another episode at Investing with All I See Is Debbie. Thank you.